Hello and good morning to everyone. My name is Imad Ilyas. I'm the Head of Tax Investigations at Churchill Tax. Today I will be talking about recent developments which are basically aimed at intensifying HMRC's crackdown on landlords with rental income and buy-to-let properties. So let's look at these changes. The first one that I'm talking about is where now if you need refinance, remortgaging, you will need to make sure that your tax affairs are in order. If you were to approach your IFA or mortgage advisor, their regulatory requirements will mean that they are now required to ask you to do the same, i.e. get your tax affairs in order. The next thing that I'm going to talk about, which is the most recent development that we've been informed about, is HMRC have now started sending letters to estate agents and letting agents. Now what these letters are saying is they're asking the estate agents to provide details of landlords and the number of properties that they own. Another change which is in the process of being implemented, it relates to overseas landlords, but nonetheless these are landlords. HMRC are now asking tenants to withhold rents for landlords who have not been paying the correct amount of tax. Now this is not the only source of information that HMRC have got. They have invested significant amount in a system which is called Connect. This is HMRC's supercomputer, which, as its name suggests, is connected to various sources of data. For instance, it will be connected to council records, licensing records, it will be connected to land registry, and so on. Now, what does this all mean? Now, with all this information, HMRC are now able to easily pinpoint landlords who have not kept their tax affairs in order. And we have also seen over the past few months a significant increase in the number of landlords who are now receiving letters by HMRC, where the letters are saying, we know you have rental income and you haven't declared it. Now, when this becomes a prompted disclosure because HMRC have contacted you, and the consequences are that the penalties are going to be much higher, and HMRC can open up an investigation which can go back 20 years. Now, what we are advising clients and what we are advising to other people though is, if you know someone who is in a similar situation, it is much better to come forward and declare before HMRC come to you. With so much information, you can't be saying that perhaps I might not get that letter. It's not that anymore. It's a question of when, not if I will get the letter. So if you know someone who has received a letter from HMRC, or if you know someone who is thinking of making an unprompted disclosure of rental income, please contact the person who has forwarded this video to you, and they will be able to advise on the next steps. Thank you.